Right behind you, boys.
What was your message to the guys?
I just love Scott's. It's gonna about to test my reflexes.
You got Steph and Clay both can go crazy. What's it like when you see them both be able to do that? Clay doing it now back-to-back nights, and you still have. Proud he is. You guys are just kind of just a grinded out game. You just kind of get through and just get another one. Did you feel a little bit as a grind game?
Shots are falling like that. Does it bother you less that assist not there? I mean, shots are going like that.
I couldn't get one. I mean, it did hurt me. I couldn't get one out. Special. That's not what's on my mind at first. As long as I keep.
It was a great game tonight. Definitely made some timely shots for us. He was the first one to comment about that. So.